Hello YouTubers, this is David Bennett, creator of the Mathnosis website, and we are going to go over test number 3, the non-calculator section, question number 9. And this is one of the 10 free SAT tests given by College Board. Okay, so let me read the question first. The system of equations above, k is a constant and x and y are variables. For what value of k will the system of equations have no solution? First of all, in order for the system of equations to have no solution, they'd have to have the same slope and different constants for the equation. And first of all, for this question, the coefficients from each of these equations don't have a common factor. You can see 3 and 4 don't have a common factor, 7, 5, and 4 don't have a common factor. So I think we're good. Second of all, if the slopes are the same with these coefficients, there would be no solution satisfying both equations. So how do we get the slopes and solve for k? You can cross multiply the x and y coefficients from the other equation and set them equal and solve for k. Let me show you in just a moment. 4 times -3 equals k times -5. So that would give you -5 k across these ones right here equals -3 times 4 So that would make this -12. And that would make this -5. So k equals 12 over 5 because the negatives cancel each other out anyways. And that's the solution right there. Alright, hope you like it. And thank you for our sponsor, Screencast-O-Matic. Alright, take care.